Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, dear students. How are you? I wish you all are well by the great grace of Almighty Allah. I wish your good health all through your life. Dear students, you know, for the severe attack of pandemic COVID-19, the world is stagnant. The world has come to a standstill. The works and activities of the people of the world are somehow stopped or hampered for various reasons, but one of the main reasons is the severe attack of this COVID-19. But we should continue our duties, we should discharge our responsibilities for the betterment and welfare of you all, our students, our institution, and overall for our total life process. So, at the very outset of my class, I must show respects to the government, Minister of Education, NIM, Education Office, my respected head sir and madam, all my dear colleagues, and you all. You all are very much close and related to our mind, to our heart. And we express our gratitude to you that for you all, we have got the opportunity, I have got the opportunity to show my appearance, to show my performance across the globe, before the globe, in front of the globe. And so now I have the chance to reach in each and every house of the world, in each and every corner of the world. So I must express my gratitude. I also express my thanks to Almighty Allah for creating me. I express my parents for giving me life, for giving me education, and for their outstanding support, all out support to prepare me, to make me as a complete human being, as a good human being. I wish to serve the humanity all through my life. Okay, dear students, today we are going to read from English first paper. We are going to take our classes. I am going to take your classes, class 8. Class 8 English. Now I am going to take your class on class 8 English. You know, in class 8 we have only one paper, that is English. We have no division in first paper or second paper. And we have some textual work and some language work. I wish to take your classes on textual work because I like to take classes texts. In literature, I want to take your classes on literature, related to literature, so that you can listen more and more from me. You know that English is a subject, it is a language. The process of learning a language is through hearing. So, if you want to hear the language, if you hear the language attentively, you will get the opportunity, you will get the chance to listen, to understand, and to express the same things. And by hearing and practicing the same things, you can be a good speaker. Why we learn English? We learn English with a view to communicate, with a view to communicate with others. Communication is the most important thing. So we need to learn communication. Some students think that we are learning English just to pass in the exam. No, passing in the exam is not the main objects of learning English. Rather, the main objects of learning English is to learn communication, to communicate with the whole world. Apart from communication for business, for higher studies, for traveling, for many other reasons, we need to learn communication, and we can communicate with the whole world through a language, and that is English. So we need to learn English. And this is the only process. By hearing, you can learn the best English. Today I am going to take your classes on Unit 9. I am going to take your classes on Unit 9. In Unit 9, we have a specific, we have a very specific topics, very important topics, very significant topics. Dear students, you know, all subjects are important, all things are very significant, but there are something which is more significant. Look, what do you think? What do you see in my hand? This is a ring. This is a circular object. This is a wheel. This is the things that gives us the identity of the whole world. The world is like a round shape, a oval shape. And why oval shape things is better? Because it can rotate easily over its axis. You can rotate the things over its axis. And when anything can rotate, it has some opportunity to move easily from one place to another. So this is the things, a rotate things or a circular object that can carry anything very easily without much effort. And this is the things that has made a great change in our life. So dear students, can you guess what we are going to do today? Yes, you are right. Today we are going to read about Unit 9, things that have changed our life. We are going to learn things that have changed our life. Things that have changed. Things that have changed our life. There are many things that have changed our life, but a circular object or a rotated thing is an object that has brought mobility, speed, force, dynamism in our life, that helps us to move faster, to move forward, to go somewhere quickly, faster than any other previous times. So, dear students, can you guess which things has brought speed in our life? Which things have brought speed in our life? Yes, you are right. A thing that brought speed in our life, brought mobility in our life, this is no other things than a wheel. So today we are going to read lesson on the wheel. Lesson on the wheel. Dear students, do you know what is a wheel? From the picture, you can see a big wheel. From this picture, you get a good ideas about a big wheel. We can see this is a wheel of a bus. This is the wheel of a car. This is the wheel of a carrier, a truck, a wagon, or any other things. So today we are going to read about the wheel. So what we learn from this unit and from this learn, what is our expectation to learn from this class? What we learn especially from this unit? What is the learning outcomes from this unit? So after we have studied this unit, we will be able to, after completing the units, you the students will be able to ask and answer questions. From every classes, we are going to teach you how to ask some question and how to give answer to some questions. This is the only things by which we can communicate with others. So for communication, you have to learn asking and you have to learn giving answer. So from each and every lessons, each and every unit, we will learn how to ask question and how to give answer. We also learn participate in short dialogues and conversation on familiar topics. You will share your thoughts and ideas and feelings with your friends. Participating, talking, involving, indulging in some short conversation. That means exchanging your views, your opinions with your friends in dialogues and conversations. Read and understand text materials. There are some discussion. You will read the text and you will understand what are the text materials in here, what are the practice we make from these topics. From this unit and lesson, we will get the chance of answering some questions, filling some grids, then making some sentences from the substitution table. These are the text materials that we will follow. Write answers to questions. You will get chance to give some answer, creative answer based on your intelligence, based on your part. And finally, writing some short compositions, writing a dialogues. You will write a dialogues and our home task dialogues. Okay, dear students, please open your textbook. Have you opened your? Please follow Unit 9, Lesson 1, the wheel. So, before going to the text, we have to learn some vocabs from this unit. Before going to the text, we need to learn some vocabs from this unit so that the text becomes easier, so that it becomes easier for your part to understand the text and to give easy answer. So the first one is circular. Circular. Can you spell the word circular? Circular. Circular. C-I-R-C-U-L-A-R. Circular. Can you tell what is the meaning of the word circular? Circular means round. Round. A thing which is round in shape, oval in shape, is called circular. Can anybody make a sentence with the word circular? A ring is a circular object. A wheel is a circular object. A pen, it is also a circular object. Then, right, another word, rotate. Rotate. Dear students, can anybody tell what is the meaning of word rotate? Rotate, to move. Rotate means to move. To move forward. To move forward or backward. A circular object can move fast or can come back. It can rotate to the front side or to the back side. It can move to the front side or can move to the back side. It can rotate from front side or to the back side. So, can anybody make a sentence with the word rotate? Yes, we know that a wheel is a thing, a circular object that rotates over its axis, that rotates over its point. So, dear students, let's write another word, propeller. 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 P-R-O-P-E-L-L-E-R. Propeller. Do you know what is the meaning of the word propeller? Propeller means fan that is used in the ship, in the plane, in the cargo, a big fan that gives force to a ship to go forward. Fan or wheel. Wheel, propeller, fan, wheel, turbine. Turbine, fan, propeller, wheel. That means the things that give force to a thing to come forward, to go forward, to move forward. Can anybody make a sentence from the word propeller? Yes. The plane moves in the sky with the help of a propeller. The ship swim, run, fly on the sea with the help of a propeller. The propeller creates force to move any vehicle forward or backward. Next, write another word, mobility. 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 Dear students, can anybody tell what is the meaning of the word mobility? Mobility means speed. Mobility. Speed. Dynamism. Dynamism. Something dynamic. Something that get a force. Mobility. So, anybody make a sentence with the word mobility? The mobile phone has brought mobility in our life. Earlier, we need to go to distant places with great hardship, spending money to meet our friends, to meet our relatives, to meet our parents. But nowadays, every day, we can talk with them, we can see them, and it has brought mobility, speed, dynamism in our life. So, write another word, vehicle. 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 Dear students, can everybody tell what is the meaning of the word vehicle? Vehicle means traffic. Traffic. Traffic means some carrier that carries us from place to place. It can be a bus or train or cycle or motorbike or something. It may be two-wheel or three-wheel or four-wheel. It may be a three-wheeler or a four-wheeler or a two-wheel vehicle. Can anybody make a sentence with the word vehicle? Yes, we go from place to place with the help of some vehicle. A vehicle is the thing that is very important for the mobility of our life. We also use it some another way. Vehicle has shuttled our life. Sometimes the people of Dhaka city or another big city falls in great problems for the congestion of traffic, for the congestion of vehicle, or we called it traffic jam of the vehicles. If there are more vehicles on a small road or narrow road, or if the existence of people are more than the capacity, then it creates vehicle jam, traffic jam. Next, please write another word, invention. 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 Do you know what is invention? Invention means discover. Invention. Discover. To create something, to make something new. Invention. Can anybody make a sentence about the word invention? Yes, we know that Charles Babbage created, invented computer. He brought speed in our mathematical calculation by creating, by inventing, by discovering the computing machine, computer, without which we cannot do very big, large calculation. So dear students, these are all we learn from this lesson so that we can understand text. So please open the text. Look at the picture and say which one is easier to move and why. So please look at the picture. This is a picture. In here we see two things, two suitcases. We see carry-on luggage, carry-on bags. So look at the pictures and say which is easier to move. You see this luggage has a wheel, but this luggage has no wheel. So can you imagine easier to carry? Certainly in the pictures there are pictures of two baggages. What did you see? In the picture we have seen there are two pictures of two baggages. One of the bags doesn't have wheels and it is difficult to carry. One of the bags, this bag has wheel, so it is difficult to carry. You have to carry it in hand or you have to carry it over your head, and this is very difficult. But this one, the wheel one, is very easy to carry. We can carry it from one place to another, taking the handle in our hand, and it is very easier to move. It will not feel any more heavy. So look at the pictures and the which one is easier. We think the first one, the left one, is harder because it has no wheel, but the second one, the right one, is easy to carry because it has wheels, and with the pressure, with the power of wheel, we can carry it forward or backward. So read the text and answer the following question. Now dear students, get ready to write some answer of some questions. In here we will get some answer and some questions from the text. Human beings have invented many important things so far. The scientists have discovered many things, invented many things. Human beings have invented many important things so far. Till now, the human beings has invented, has discovered many necessary things like the computer, the mobile, the television, the telephone, the electricity that has made our life easy. They have brought great civilization to the world through these inventions, and human lives become easier to move. Human lives has become very easier to go on, to proceed on from any other previous times with the discoveries and invention of these latest scientific things. Do you know which invention is the greatest? And this is $1,000,000 question. Among the inventions, among the creations, which one is the best one? Which one has brought mobility in our life? Which has made our life easy, comfortable? Certainly it is no other but the thing. This is the rocket object and this is a wheel. A wheel is a circular object that has brought great change, great dynamism, great empowerment, great speed in our life. A wheel is a circular object. So in here, this is the question. What is a wheel? What is a wheel? So in here, we have got the answer. A wheel is a circular object. Wheel is a circular object. What is a wheel? A wheel is a circular object. It can rotate around its axis and help easy movement of things across the surface. So it moves on its own way, on its definite way. It do not go here and there to a bus, to a train, or to a motorbike or a bike. We see that it has a wheel and it always moves on its own way. It's a definite destination. It does not go here and there. You see, there are different kinds of wheel in here. This is a wheel by which we can carry some things. If there are 2 wheels in the front, 2 wheels in the back, and if there is a structure over here, it will be a car or a car. And this is a propeller. This is the propeller or the fan or the wheel that moves the ship, that moves the launch. And this is the big propeller or big wheel. It is called turbine. Generally, this turbine is used for producing electricity. In some Western countries, or some countries which is full of hills or sea, the people of that country, especially the scientists, use this turbine to produce electricity. On the sea, they establish this turbine on the sea or over the hills, and it helps us to produce electricity. The wheels are in fact everywhere. So how do you get the wheels? Where can you find the wheels? You can find the wheels everywhere. There are on-hour cars, trains, planes, wagons, and so on. So a car, a train, or a plane, or wagons, the bus or track that carries the things is called organ, and so on. And everything moves forward with the help of its wheels. Until or unless the bus has the wheels or the useless wheels, it will not move. Besides, they are on most factories and farm equipments, and in some mills and factories, in some industries, we have some machines And to run these machines, we also need some wheels. Without some wheels, the machines we cannot forward. The machines in mills and factories cannot go. Fans, propellers, turbines are also other types of wheels. And apart from the tire wheel, apart from the metallical wheel, there are also different types of wheels that we have seen in here. And a fan, this is also a wheel. Propellers, that is a wheel. Turbines, that is a wheels. And any circular object that helps us to move anything forward are called wheels. So the wheels is very important. Dear students, don't you think the wheel is a very important thing? Of course, it is an important thing. We cannot imagine modern life without wheels. So can you think easiness of your life without wheels? Under any circumstances, we cannot think pass a single day to go one place to another. Only depending on our two-wheelers. Rather, we need the assistance of some round wheels. That is the wheel of our bike, motorbike, bus or cars. But we do not know exactly who made the first wheel. But there is a $1,000,000 question. There is the secret. There is a very hard question. Who first invented the wheels? It is very difficult. It is a matter of research to find out who made the wheels. But we can understand from the ancient time, when there was not much civilization, there was not much inventions, people tried to carry their heavy things, making it round, pushing from the back with the help of some tanks, trunks of the trees, or giving some trunks under the trees. They can move the things by this way, and it is invented by this way. So dear students, this is the text in brief. What we discuss in the text, the most important part of the text that we discuss in here, that a wheel is a circular object. It is very important for mobility of our life. It has brought great dimension in our life. Who invented it is not known to us, but we know the very many use of a wheel, and the modern civilization become more civilized, or our life become more civilized, or ease and comfort has come to our life by the use of the wheels. And wheels is used everywhere, on our suitcase, on our bars, trucks, wagons, even in turbine, in plane, in ships, everywhere wheel is used. So there is not a place where wheel is not used. Now, please give the question answer. Please write the answer of the question. Dear students, are you ready to give answer? So we have write on question. What is a wheel? A wheel is a circular object. Now write the second question. What can a wheel do? What can a wheel do? Can a wheel do? What can a wheel do? So it is very easy. What can a wheel do? A wheel is a circular object. It cannot what can a wheel do? So you know, a wheel can do many things. It helps us. What can a wheel do? A wheel helps us, e.g. heavy things. What can a wheel do? A wheel helps easy movement of heavy things. By the use of a wheel, we can move any heavy things. So there are two questions. What is a wheel? What can a wheel do? A wheel is a circular object. It can rotate around its axis and helps easier movement of things across a surface over the environment. Where you can find the wheels? Where you can find the wheels? Now we have got another question. Where can you find wheels? Now we have another question. Where can you find wheels? 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 This is very easy. You know, where we cannot find wheels. We can find wheels everywhere, such as in cars, trains, planes, etc. Another question, where can we find wheels? So we can find wheels. You can find wheels everywhere. We can find wheels everywhere. Where can we find wheels? We can find wheels everywhere, such as cars, trains. Where can we find wheels? We can find wheels everywhere, such as cars, bus, trains, etc. So, dear students, have you tried all the question? I think if you try, you can easily answer the question. Now, we have another word. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate words from the box. There is a box in here, and in the box there are some words. There are more words than necessary. And we have some words here, and from these words, using these words, you have to make some sentences. You have to fill up a passage or discourse by using these words. So there are some words. Difficult. Difficult. Then much. Difficult. Much. Circular. Circular. Important. Important. Heavy. Heavy. Worst. So, dear students, fill in the blanks with the appropriate word from the box. There are more words than necessary. In some exercise C, we have some words to fill in the blanks. Dear students, can you tell what is the meaning of the words? Difficult. Difficult means hard. Much more. More than one. Circular, round. Important, significant. Heavy, huge. Weighty. Fast, quick. Quick. So, let's read the text and try to fill in the blanks using these words. Although the wheel is a very dash invention. Students, which word can you use here? Although the wheel is a very important invention. Although the wheel is a very important invention, the history of its origin is unknown. So we do not know what is the beginning of the wheel. Experts gaze, but the research that they think that they visualize that they gaze that the first wheel was developed from a circular object. Certainly, it has developed from a round-shaped thing. The early man observed that a huge piece of stone, a big stone, could not roll easily, could not move from place to place. If it was, the earlier man observed that a huge piece of stone could be rolled easily if it was dash in shape. So, if it was a huge stone can move from one place to another. If it is circular, in shape. If the thing is a circular thing, so if the thing is circular in shape, round in shape, then it can move easily. Similarly, a heavy tree trunk is dash to carry. We cannot carry a huge thing, a huge tree trunk. If so, a heavy tree trunk is dash to carry. It's difficult to carry. Difficult to carry. A huge, a heavy tree trunk is difficult to carry, but it can be rolled away with less effort if it is round. Even a gigantic tree trunk can be moved easily. We can carry a big trees using other small and round trunks as roller under it. So, this is some roller objects, and giving these things over it, we can move it forward, backward easily. So, giving a small trunks under big trunks, it helps us to move forward or backward as it was easier to use, as it was easier to carry. So, dear students, we have another word. Even a gigantic tree trunk can be moved easily using a small and round tusk as rollers under it. Thus, early man look advantages of rolling object and develop the fast. Fast wheel. We have got the idea that the early man, the man of the primitive time, took advantages, got the opportunity of rolling objects and developed the fast wheel, and by this way they started the use of wheel apart from its mechanical advantages. And this scientific, mechanical, instrumental opportunities, wheel's mobility has contributed. But how it contributed? It has contributed more and more. That is much. It has contributed much. It has contributed much and more to the civilization, for the development of this civilization. It has great contribution. Okay, dear student. So we have got the words from this table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have got 5 words and onwards or excellent. Now we have a table. Look at the word B, and we need to make some sentences following the table. You know, there are many processes to make a sentence. First of all, you have to practice, you have to follow the structure, subject, verb, object, subject, verb, extension. By this way, you can develop a sentence. And in the table, there are 3 parts. So, in first part, there is subject, and in second part, you see the verbs, and in third part, extension. Let's start from the last part. A type of wheel. Around its axis, one of the simplest machines, wheels on vehicles and machines, help the rapid progress of civilization. So we understood these things, and there are the verb, it has rotates. It has rotated. It has rotated. And we have some 4 subjects. So we can understand we have to make 4 sentences. So, number 1 sentence. The wheel. The wheel. And we have to make sentence. So the wheel, we can use each. The wheel, each, one of the simplest machine. We can make the wheel, each, one of the simplest. S-I-M, simplest. The wheel is the simplest. Simplest machine. The wheel is the simplest machine. Next, second sentence. A plane wheel. A plane wheel. What a plane wheel do? A plane wheel rotates. A plane wheel rotates. A plane wheel rotates. Where a plane wheel rotates around its axis. Around its axis. Axis means its own way in its movement place. Number 3. 8. We have another word, hatch. So we can take the word hatch. It has, we can use in various ways, helped in rapid progress of civilization. It has helped rapid progress of It has helped the rapid progress of civilization. We have another word, so we can make another sentence. 4. A propeller. A propeller. What is a propeller? A propeller is a type of wheel. A propeller is a type of wheel. A propeller is a type of wheel. So we have used all the clues. We have one more clues: wheels on vehicles and machines. We use wheels on vehicles and machines. So you can make more sentences. Dear students, so I thank you very, very much for attending the classes, for understanding the vocabs, for understanding the text, for taking part, understanding the text and giving answers, fill in the blanks and making the table. We are going to conclude the class giving you a home task. So, what is your home task? Can you guess what you are going to do in the homework? In E, we have a guidelines. Have you ever traveled by bus or car? Yes. Every day we travel here and there. Do you have any experience of what happens if one wheel falls flat? So while going from place to place by bus or car, sometimes there happen some accidents. Sometimes the wheel become burst. If you fall in such an accident, give a description of your experience. If not, imagine such a situation and write a paragraph on it. So you will write a paragraph. Your homework. Write a paragraph. Your homework is write a paragraph of a journey where you write a paragraph of a journey where you fall in problem for a wheel not displayed. Not displaced. So, dear students, your home track is you have many experience of journey, and sometimes you fall in various problems for very many reasons. One of the reason may be that the wheel of your motorbike has burst, the wheel of your car has punctured, and what happens for this puncture, what are the sufferings and how you have overcome from these sufferings. I wish you will prepare your home task, and when the class will open, you will show your home task to your teacher. Dear students, thank you very much for joining my long class. I wish you are very serious and sincere for your studies. Now it is high time you got the opportunity of living in the house. So, leaving the house, you will not waste your time in vain watching only movies, cinema, drama. Rather, you will watch Sangsad TV and you will follow online TV in different TV channels and also different online channels. And I wish if you watch the classes, your textual classes, your subject class or classes of other subjects, your knowledge will widen and you will be able to become a complete man, a full man, a up-to-date man, full of knowledge and wisdom. So I wish you bright future. I wish your good career in future. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.